Hey there, friends. Have you ever felt like your mind is always buzzing with thoughts, like a busy bee in a flower garden? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to talk about something really important: how to calm that buzzing and find some peace and quiet inside your head. We'll be diving into the ancient wisdom of Zen and Buddha to learn how to empty our minds and feel more relaxed and focused. So, grab a comfy seat, take a deep breath, and get ready to discover the magic of mindfulness with me. So chapter 1 is the understanding the busy mind. In this chapter, we'll talk about why our minds are always busy. Have you ever noticed that your mind is like a monkey jumping from one thought to another? That's called a busy mind. It's normal for our minds to be busy, but when they're too busy, it can make us feel stressed or anxious. Imagine your mind as a river with lots of thoughts floating by like leaves. Sometimes these thoughts are about things we need to do, worries, or memories. Other times they're just random thoughts popping up for no reason. Our minds are busy because they're always trying to solve problems, plan for the future, or remember things from the past. But when we have too many thoughts, it can be overwhelming and hard to focus. Understanding our busy minds is the first step to finding peace and calm. By learning to quiet our minds, we can reduce stress and feel more relaxed. So, let's explore some techniques to help calm the busy mind and find inner peace. Chapter 2: Embracing Stillness. In this chapter, we're going to talk about the importance of finding stillness in our busy lives. Imagine your mind is like a snow globe, constantly shaken by thoughts, worries, and distractions. Stillness is like setting that snow globe down, allowing the flakes to settle and revealing the clarity underneath. Understanding stillness. Stillness is not just about physical quietness. It's also about calming the storm of thoughts in our minds. When we're still, we can hear our inner voice more clearly and connect with our deepest selves. Practical techniques. We'll explore simple practices like mindful breathing, where you focus on your breath to anchor yourself in the present moment. Another technique is meditation, where you sit quietly and observe your thoughts without getting caught up in them. Benefits of stillness. By embracing stillness, we can reduce stress, increase focus, and find inner peace. It's like giving your mind a spa day. It refreshes and rejuvenates your entire being. Incorporating stillness into daily life. We'll discuss how to incorporate stillness into your daily routine, whether it's through short moments of mindfulness during your commute or dedicating time for meditation before bed. Conclusion. Stillness is not about escaping the chaos of life, but learning to navigate it with grace and clarity. By embracing stillness, we can cultivate a sense of calm amidst the storms of life and live with greater presence and purpose. Chapter 3: Letting go of attachments. In this chapter, we'll talk about how to let go of attachments. Attachments are like things we hold on to tightly, like wanting something to happen a certain way or wishing things could stay the same forever. But in life, things are always changing, and holding on to these attachments can make our minds feel cluttered and stressed. So, how do we let go? One way is to practice being okay with things as they are, instead of wishing they were different. We can also try to focus on what we have right now, rather than what we wish we had. Another helpful thing is to remind ourselves that everything is temporary. Just like how the seasons change, our feelings and situations change too. When we understand this, it becomes easier to let go of attachments and accept life as it comes. Lastly, we can practice gratitude. By appreciating the good things in our lives and being thankful for them, we can let go of the need for more or different things. This helps us feel happier and more content with what we have. By letting go of attachments, we can free our minds from clutter and find more peace and happiness in our lives. Chapter 4: Cultivating Presence. In this chapter, we'll explore the importance of being present in the moment and how it can help empty your mind. Understanding presence. Presence means being fully focused on what's happening right now without getting distracted by thoughts about the past or worries about the future. Practical techniques. 1. Mindful walking. Take a slow walk and pay attention to each step you take. Notice how your feet feel on the ground and the rhythm of your breath. 2. Sensory awareness. Spend a few minutes focusing on each of your senses. Notice the sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and textures around you without judgment. 3. Deep listening. When someone is talking to you, give them your full attention. Listen carefully to what they're saying without thinking about what you'll say next. Benefits of presence. Being present helps calm your mind and reduce stress. It improves your focus and concentration. It allows you to connect more deeply with others and appreciate the beauty of everyday life. Incorporating presence into daily life. Try to bring moments of presence into your daily activities, like eating, showering, or spending time with loved ones. Start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. Conclusion. Cultivating presence is a simple but powerful way to empty your mind and find peace in the present moment. By practicing these techniques regularly, you can experience greater clarity, joy, and fulfillment in your life. Chapter 5: Navigating Thoughts and Emotions. In this chapter, we'll talk about how to deal with the thoughts and feelings that clutter our minds. Sometimes our thoughts can be like a noisy room, making it hard to focus or feel calm. And our emotions, like sadness or anger, can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, there are ways to manage them. 1. Observation. Start by noticing your thoughts and feelings without judging them. Imagine you're watching clouds pass by in the sky. You can see them, but you don't have to hold on to them. 2. Breathing. Take slow, deep breaths. This can help you feel more grounded and calm when your thoughts or emotions become too intense. 3. Letting go. Remember that thoughts and feelings are temporary. Just like waves in the ocean, they come and go. You don't have to hold on to them or let them control you. 4. Self-compassion. Be kind to yourself, especially when you're struggling. Treat yourself like you would a good friend, with understanding and support. By practicing these simple techniques, you can learn to navigate your thoughts and emotions more effectively, creating space for clarity and peace in your mind. Chapter 6: Embracing the Journey. In this final chapter, we're going to talk about how to embrace the journey of emptying your mind in simple and easy steps. Firstly, let's remember that this journey is like a beautiful adventure. Just like any adventure, it has its ups and downs, twists and turns. But every step you take brings you closer to inner peace and clarity. Along the way, you'll learn a lot about yourself. You'll discover your strengths and weaknesses, your joys and fears. And that's okay. It's all part of growing and evolving as a person. Sometimes you might stumble or feel like you're not making progress. But remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. Even small steps forward count. So be patient and kind to yourself. As you continue on your journey, you'll find moments of clarity and moments of confusion. Cherish the moments of clarity and don't be discouraged by the moments of confusion. They're all part of the process. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. There are many others walking the same path, facing similar challenges, and celebrating similar victories. Reach out for support when you need it, and offer support to others when you can. Finally, embrace the journey with an open heart and an open mind. Be curious, be courageous, and be compassionate. And most importantly, enjoy the journey. Because in the end, it's not just about reaching the destination, but about savoring every step along the way. Conclusion. Thank you for joining me on this journey to empty the mind and find inner peace. Remember, the key to a calm and clear mind lies in simple practices like breathing, being present, and letting go of attachments. Take small steps each day to cultivate mindfulness and embrace the beauty of the present moment. Together, we can navigate life's challenges with greater clarity, compassion, and resilience. Stay connected, stay mindful, and keep striving for a life filled with peace and purpose.